Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. You are welcome back to my channel, returning subscribers. And if today is your first day to visit or stop by on my YouTube channel, you are welcome. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Remember, on this channel, I share informative and educational videos, including personal development, business development, and business finance. And if that is what interests you, you won't hesitate to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Alright, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you, probably you are running an agency banking and you'll probably be using MONIEPOINT terminal or POS, and in today's video I want to share or teach you how you can actually withdraw your money from your savings, your personal account to your business account. Of course, you have so many reasons that you might have that will make you to have money on your personal account. Is either persons send money to the personal account directly, or you have a savings plan on the platform, and maybe this platform you want to withdraw your money from your savings plan to your account. Of course, when you make the withdrawal from your savings plan, the money will first of all or directly move to your personal account. So, and in that personal account, you will not be able to withdraw the money until you withdraw this money from your personal account to your business account. So, and that is what is basically prompt to the creation of this video today. So I'm going to teach you how you can do step by step to withdraw this money to your business account for you to be able to move it out of your business account. All right, let's go into the video. When you log into your personal MONIEPOINT account, you can decide to use the mobile app or use the web interface. Of course, today I want to make use of the web so that you can actually see how to do this step by step. After you might have logged into your account on MONIEPOINT, and then you want to go to where you see business, manage business. When you click on where you see manage business, the next thing you want to do is to go to the top left corner where you see three lines, then click on it. When you click on it, the next thing you want to do is to go to where you see account, and then click on account. So when you click on account, like as you can see very clearly, I have some amount of money on my personal account. Of course, I want to move this money or move part of this money to my business account. So the next thing I want to do is to click on transfer at the top here. Click on transfer. When you click on transfer, then you want to select transfer from. You want to select transfer from. When you click on transfer from, you will now be asked to select where you are sending or transferring the money from. So in this case, I want to move it from my personal account to my business account, and then I want to select business personal account. Then I want to move it or transfer to my business account. Now, which is this? Now enter the amount. Let me use, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use just 1,000. As you can see, just 1,000. So before we go here, I want to show you my last balance on this account that we're sending this money to, which is 179,900. So having put your transaction pins, and then you want to click on transfer. and then your request is successful. So this is how you can basically transfer money from your personal account to your business account. You can see transaction is successful. So if we go back to our page now, here on my business account, I was having 179,900, but now it is now 180,900. So 80,900. So this is how you can basically transfer money to your from your personal account to your business account. Thanks for watching. Until next time.